Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Hey, the street's called Rua da Felicidade, and it's popular with tourists. There's the name of the street. We're gonna walk all the way down the street in a minute, and basically this is the base of it. This goes to Senado Square. This goes up to some churches. You have to go this way and then up a little bit, and you go to some churches that are also popular with tourists. We're gonna walk down a little bit. Some beautiful detail in the housing, in the shutters. Yeah, I like this view right here. I'll explain the street in a minute. Before we do, some beautiful writing and some temples too. We're at the base of the street. And this street, Rua da Felicidade, means street of happiness. The street of happiness basically means that people were very happy because of things like happy endings and prostitutes and hookers, and I think opium dens were in here and bars and everything. So this would have been the street for people when they came into Macau. So they'd come in. If you see that big yellow building at the bottom, at the base, that's right by the riverfront. It's called Pont 16. So people used to come in on the ferries, and then they would go up a street like this. This had all the sing-song girls, they'd call them. So sing-song girls. So basically they would like the base might be one part, and then they'd go up to these parts. You'd have different parts. This is actually built differently, but usually most of them are built like this, like all these red and white. That's all the way down. This one's called Nuris, which is the Indonesian bar, and I think they changed the whole structure of this particular one, but most of them have like this red and white. And I think they've had different colors, but now they paint them all red and white. And then inside, there'll be like little stairwells that go up. So I'll explain that in a minute too. So, okay. So they would have these stairwells that would go up, and then like there'd be one building that would be like that, another building, and each one would have like sing-song girls, and you could go up and take the stairs, but it'd be the same establishment. Okay, let's kind of frame some of these shots a little bit. So that would be the street looks like that. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking. Beco da Felicidade. Huh. These books look like they've been there for a long time. They're kind of framed with this spike. Looks like a very photogenic shot. Just walk. So this is the mouth of happiness. Beco is like the mouth of. See some kind of a little bit of colorful stuff. This is like a little side street. But we're gonna stick to the main street though. So, okay. This one, Julius. So this one has, I always see him playing live music there, but subtly, softly. Another place. So, okay. Rua da Felicidade. It's 4 in the afternoon, so it's a little bit quiet right now, but always photogenic. So yeah, so basically this whole street would have been just filled with sing-song girls, and I always wondered if they'd be up at the top or at the bottom. You know, I'm not really sure. I don't know if they'd try to call customers in from up there, or maybe multiple occupied. Maybe they'd entertain people downstairs. But I guess it'd be like really well known for entertainment. like being able to play music and recite poetry, things like that. So I always wondered if maybe they just brought people upstairs into the bedroom part, if they paid for those services on top of it, I would guess. So, okay, pretty cool. Pretty cool right there. And we might just, in this video, so yep, that's the video right there. Rua da Felicidade. Chiquinha, chiquinha.